Today I bought this TSA lock from a general store. It cost me €3.50, and the great thing is that it's transparent. It's a TSA approved lock, which is the Transport Security Agency, which means that when you put it on your case and your case goes through customs, if they suspect somebody in the customs will have access to this particular lock via a skeleton key. Well, I found this most interesting. If I turn it to the correct combination, which is 114, what happens is that the shackle comes out like that, and it comes out of this flange here. When it goes back in again and it's locked, it doesn't move. So when it is locked and this can't move, how come the security people can get into it? Well, of course, there is another way in, and that is via this wafer lock, which is also included in this whole set here. And if this shackle doesn't move, how on earth can this therefore be opened? Well, it surprised me, but I'm now going to try and pick it because I don't have a skeleton key, and because the keyway is so tiny, I've had to use a tension wrench which I made some time ago for a tiny lock. Now this lock here is a wafer lock, and there are 3 wafers inside, which I don't think should be that difficult to pick. I think I've overpicked one of them. Start again. And we are now opening the lock. I'm going to take it out of the vise and demonstrate by using this tension wrench to show what happens. Look at the flange here. As I turn the tension wrench, that flange moves down, and you can see the workings. You can see the cam inside there, and once the flange has gone down, the lock can open like that instead of pulling out the shackle. So I'm going to lock it back up again, and you can see the workings inside as I do it. And once it's back in position, it can't turn, and again I can't open it now without picking it. Well, I found that very interesting, and because all of the workings can be seen inside this lock, for less than $5, I think that's fantastic.